It's now and never. I'm gonna make a chocolate shake. Hello, people. Welcome. I am Mr. Capalbo, and this is ingredients to make ultimate chocolate shake. Or no, I take it back. Not shake. Chocolate malt. It is malted milk. It's going to be delicioso. The only thing missing is I do not have whipped cream, so we go a little diet. We also buy diet flavor ice cream. It's okay, but we prefer real vanilla ice cream when making this. Notice that nothing in here says it's chocolate except for chocolate syrup. When you have a chocolate syrup by Hershey's, he is my friend, Dr. Hershey, and this is my friend also, Mr. No, he's not my friend. Nestle don't know how to make pizza. Well, maybe he does. I do not want to bash on him. Okay, I want to make sure. He makes DiGiorno. Yeah, he makes DiGiorno. He also makes Hot Pocket, I found out. I did not know. I like a Hot Pocket. So, it's crazy. So, here's my friend the cow, Mr. Lactate, because I am lactose intolerant. And I believe Cameraman is too. Are you?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm a lactose intolerant.
You're a lactose. Okay, so what we do, we start off with a ice cream scooper, and you'll see I have ice cream scooper here. Is turning rust. No, that's the brass in there. I need a new one. Someday when I'm rich, I will be able to buy a real one. So we take the lid off. This ice cream is mushy. Okay, so we put in 1 scoop. Also make sure your can is clean on the inside. If you have dust in there, it's going to taste dusty. Is 2.
Look at how shiny that cup is.
Is 3. You're probably saying, what? You better stop. You're going to give me diarrhea. No, it's not going to stop. Is 4. This is how you make special shake. Let me tell you. If you do not do it right, okay. Is 5 scoops. Now 5 scoops is pretty good. So you see all of that down there. I don't have my glasses on today. I was wearing COVID-19 mask. Which, by the way, let's see how tasty this is. It's good.
It's okay.
Doesn't even taste like diet, so it's good. You put that in the sink.
You're drooling. There you go.
I don't have a napkin. We use paper towel. I know they are very scarce in this America. There we go. Thank you. Okay, so we do that. I'm going to put that in the freezer, because we don't want it to melt. Otherwise, we end up with diarrhea. We end up with wet milk. And we don't want wet milk for dinner.
So what you're making here is a cure for COVID-19. That's what you're doing.
No.
You make cure.
We don't have to say that in this video. It'll take too long to come out on the other end. Okay, so...
Like poo-poo.
Yes, like poo-poo. So now, this is your very most important part. You don't get the chocolate flavor. You get the malted milk. Because they make 2 types. Mr. Nestle told me this himself. 3 heaping spoonfuls of malt. 1. These aren't teaspoons. These are quadruple spoons. 2.
That's bigger than a tablespoon.
Yes, this is like spoon for gravy. 3. Smell. Smell like a malt bottle?
Smells like malt weird.
Bottle. Smells like malt. Smells like cow. Smells good. So we put the lid on that. We have no space for it. We put it over here. Now this one here, you want to use a pure vanilla. This ice cream, is maybe not pure. It's Stater Brothers brand. My favorite place, you know. Ongoing joke. Haha! Forgot about my laugh, did you not? You put in about that much. Probably about as much as this spoon.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. Okay, sounds good. Now for the chocolate. Do you like a chocolate?
I love a chocolate.
Okay, if you like a chocolate, you do it my way and only my way. You just
Look
keep
at
pouring,
that.
and you just keep pouring until it's dark chocolate. There you go. Now that's probably a half a cup of chocolate, and the milk. We're going to put in half a cup of that, and you have yourself a malt. You see it bubbling? That tells you good stuff. It's going to the bottom. It's not quite quick enough, so we make it quick. We push it down there, right? Because when you turn on, you want to keep camera away. You might get splattered with ice cream. there. We put this up here like this. Shove it in there like that. Place your flash went off. Why? Okay, so now we're going to do. Hi, how are you? We're going to mix the layer. And it's going to mix. And it's going to mix. As you see, I'm turning it. Because if I did not turn it, it will not get thick and mixed up. So the spooning, hopefully we don't lose the grinder in there. You can tell it's thick because it's thick like my blood. No, it's thick because there are no
thick in your blood.
No thick in my blood, remember? So what you see, see, I went too far. What you see is, see how thick it's keeping. Dark chocolate. So, that's chocolate malt on your camera.
Do you?
A little bit. So what you do is you mix it up, so it's nice and dark like that, and
Delicioso. Okay, it's a little watery because we use the creamy ice cream. I will usually like a thick ice cream, like what is the brand I like? And Jemima?
No, that don't make ice cream. What, you crazy?
Nestle?
No, we're talking about Tillamook. My favorite. Now, you want shot glass drink of shake. I think you're gonna want more than
Look
that.
at this collection.
But I want you to see.
Look at this.
Let me tell you, these are the best cup to drink shake in. Look at that. It's a Disneyland cup. But you don't want a large cup. So, I give you shot glass flavor. That's the shot glass.
Perfect.
Okay, so we put it over here. It may be a little watery because, like I said, the milk is not, ice cream is not so thick. And there you go. And you have a baby straw over there. Let me get my cup so you can get a view of mine. Excuse me. Back up, please. Thank you. I use the pink cup. We use a pink cup. So I not drink it. No, it's dirty. I not drink out of a dirty cup. I do not like a dirty cup. Okay, so I use a Disneyland cup. Okay. Okay.
Wait. Look at that.
And that, my friend, is a chocolate malt. I leave a little for wife because I know she likes the chocolate. And now we get 2 straws.
And this is all I get. Look at this little tiny little serving right
He
there.
could have much more, but he's chicken. My cameraman's like he's on diet or something. I think I could give him more, but he doesn't want to try it. I don't know. Maybe he has bad stomach or something. I have bad stomach, but it's worth it with my chocolate shake. So you put the straw in. We give you a straw for baby drink. Maybe. Okay, pull out. And slide into your little cup. And I want to hold camera while you taste. Okay, you talk now. Here's cameraman.
So
And
this is Chef Capalbo's chocolate malt.
remember, people, he's the one you want to date. We have his phone number on one of the videos, the chicken cordon bleu.
I've been single for 5 years. I have no luck.
He has luck. He just doesn't want to use it.
But tonight, things are going to change. Because Mitch's
Who?
chocolate malt
Mr.
it's good
Capalbo.
luck. It's very good luck. Mr. Capalbo.
Okay, go ahead.
It's
Try
very
and
good
tell me
luck.
what you think. Truthfully, not fake.
Truthfully.
Yes,
Are
truthfully.
you sure?
Yes.
Okay. It's good.
Let me see.
I'm not used to the milk, but it is good.
Is a lactate. It's a little different.
Yeah.
It's very chocolatey. I
It is
may have
chocolatey.
made a little too chocolatey, but other than that, if you like a little less chocolate, you put half cup and instead of full cup, and it's good. Buongiorno, and I hope everyone stay safe, stay home, and look at that chocolate. The chocolate. that is something you want to eat all day long if you want to have diarrhea. But anyways, thank you. Have a good day. Ciao.